again, we're looking at an exponential equation, so the first thing that we want to do is look at our bases. We have a 2, a 4, and an 8. Since those are not the same number, we need to change their bases to make them the same. So I noticed that 2, 4, and 8 all show up in this same column of the 2 to the x table. You need your reference sheet in order to figure that out. And so if I want to make 2 have a base 2, it has, right here you see this 2, it has an exponent of 1. So we're going to say 2 to the first power is equal to 2. And for 4, if we want to make that base 2, we're going to look and see what exponent it needs. So 4 happens here when x is 2, so 2 to the second power equals 4. And 8, if we want to change that to be base 2, that happens in the x equals 3 row, so that means that our 8 is equal to 2 cubed. Now, once we have changed these bases, we need to substitute back into our original equation. So that 2 is replaced with 2 to the first power, and 4 is replaced with 2 squared, and 8 is replaced with 2 cubed. And we're going to just drop in all of our exponents from above. Remember, when we drop them in, we need to use parentheses. Like this. Now, do we have the same base across the board? The answer is yes, we do. We have 2's all the way across, so we're going to go ahead and now combine it so that we have only one base on each side. And remember, when you have two exponential expressions being multiplied together, we can combine their exponents by adding them. So it goes a little bit against your gut because you want to be able to multiply, but we actually just add. So this 1 times 3x plus 1 is added with the 2 from the second expression. And we still have our base 2, so we're going to drop it in. And nothing changed over here on this side, so we get to just pull it down. Now, we have one base that's exactly the same on both sides, so we get to drop it and create ourselves a new equation that we can set equal to each, where we set the exponents equal to each other. So we have 1 times 3x plus 1 plus 2 equals 3 times 2x minus 5. And now we just want to solve for x. So we're going to multiply and simplify. So this 1 multiplies in, leaving us with 3x plus 1 plus 2 equal to, and if we multiply this 3 in, we get 6x minus 15. Let's combine like terms on our left-hand side, and 1 plus 2 gives us 3. And now we can subtract 3x on both sides. So 3 is equal to 3x minus 15. We need to move those numbers over, so we'll add 15 to both sides. 3 plus 15 is equal to 18. And then we can divide by 3 on both sides. So 6 is equal to